Let's wait till we can buy liquor.
Guys, I just left Ayanna being sold on to. And she managed to escape. She's trying to escape. She escaped. Hooray! She escaped.
She just leave me.
I thought you would do that. You have been warned. There's nothing here, Ayanna.
I know.
I don't even know. She's scared. I'm scared. Like, real scared. So I need to buy 4 more gifts.
Okay, what kind of gifts do you want? You need to have be real specific.
I don't know though. That's the issue. I'm scared already.
I mean, I've got some for my goddaughter, some for my friends. I should probably get some for my grandma. Like a lot. Let's wait till we can buy liquor.
Wait. Oh yeah, we can do that. The struggle is hard, guys. I need something for my mom, something for my brother, something for Carla, something for Jay. Hola. Huh?
Thank you. Ooh, cute. My mom.
Oh yeah.
Which one you like? You want one of those? You want one of those? Good, right? Because I want to make a sale. This is good. You can take it. You will see this, yes. One of the small one, like small one. Coco
Because it's too many different people. Let's carry on. Let's carry on. Let's carry on. Let's do that. Yeah, I think a t-shirt for Mauro.
For the boyfriend?
You can buy your own stuff. Why would I buy?
No.
Can I show you my junk?
No.
Don't call it junk.
Yes.
Hello.
No, thank you. We definitely know.
Questionable tale.
Yes. Like, oh my god. I've just been asked to be shown their junk. We met a friend, people.
This is my own business, guys. Welcome to China. Say tequila.
Where is
I got a question for you guys.
So, yeah, I'll take that one.
Something else? You want to see a magnetos? You got a magnet?
Yes, I need a magnet.
Yeah, come over here.
Those are so cliche though.
I know, my friend.
I don't buy cliche holiday stuff. We have been sold on to the familiarity of someone we already knew. We came. Oh, this is for Carla, that's it. How much are the skulls?
Which one you like? We got two sizes. We got the smaller, we got the big one.
I mean, I want to give her the big one, but how much is the big one?
Okay, we have with the tints on it.
Yeah?
We have just painted ones.
Those ones.
Okay, I want to show you one now.
Because there's something colored. I have my sister brought me one from Amsterdam.
Yeah.
She's been like every time I show a picture of my room. Oh, the skull is there. I can see still there. She's dropping hints about.
Just bitching about the skull.
Exactly. Oh, here's the thing. I'm gonna get one of these too. Basically, I'm getting everything from me here.
Which one do you want to buy?
How much is this?
This is 600, the size. We got the big ones for more expensive. But this is like this, and we have with the fish bone.
No, that's too fancy for her. How much are those?
Okay, this is 400. We got this one in the smaller sizes.
Yeah.
Smaller sizes. But the colors is like this. You
The
can put the
tradition.
candle there, and the colors the glow.
Yeah. That's.
I want to give you a package deal. Which do you like the best, yellow or purple? I'm going to give you better prices. I'm not sure, so you're not sure. You want to get something nice, you get Mexican ideas. No Chinese ideas, okay?
That's true. I'm trying to think what she would like.
Can I show you another colors? This is the one you're talking about. Because small, medium, we have the difference right here.
What would she like? Yeah, I know.
Mira, chiquita banana. This is a real skulls, real sugar skulls.
That girl changes every day. She's like cute. Like seriously, Carla.
Yeah, but
Two of us. You came to a whole new country and found another one.
hey, look at this one. Turquesa.
No, she'll want the hose. She's actually very into candles, so
Okay. Oh,
She'll
very
love it.
perfect, madam. Look at this one. Mira. Look at the flowers. Look at the eyes. That's
what do you
awesome.
think, Ayanna?
I like that. That's cute.
Why? This will be Carla's gift.
These are so gorgeous.
Okay, girls. You have a good time and happy new year, okay?
You too.
My turn.
I was terrified to get Anna.
I'm still blaming you.
I was like going to the club.
Thanks to Ayanna. I know it is, but we're not ready for this day. We can't afford it.
Can't buy anything on our buy you.
That's nice. No, the sombrero. The little sombrero. Because I can see it being sold there for 300.
Yeah.
So it's glad that we got it for free. At least for once, her knowing people was useless. I mean, useful. At least the view is pretty. Huh?
No, thank
No,
you.
thank you. Yeah. God, seriously. Can I please abandon her somewhere? See, because of her, we keep getting called off. No, gracias. Look at this girl here. Keep making us being called up and offer things.
You stopped to take a video.
I was actually ignoring you and the guy.
You look so much like a tourist. You look worse than me.
Yeah.
Just because you have a camera up. They're coming to us because you have a camera up with your diet down.
But I ignore them. You carry on talking to them.
¿Habla español?
Así un poquito.
Ah, mejor. Más barato.
How much is this one? Is it the same price?
Just give me 400 any piece of you like that one. Even a small or big one. 400 pesos. I throw in a Mexican Gucci bag.
That would be so nice.
What is a Mexican dish?
It's not a Gucci bag.
I want to know.
She's curious.
I just want to know what a Mexican Gucci bag is.
Like, and then choose the color. Mira.
Picking the Mexican Gucci. I think this one.
Purple?
Purple, sí. Me encanta más.
A tu mamá.
We escaped enough. I got everything for everyone. It's surprising, like, this is like a black people's market.
It's terrible.
There's no fixed price for anything.
I love that.
But you get it.
promised back. Can I show you my stuff?
No, thank you.
I have no money.
But we get it out in the end.
Sat down.
I know. I like the backpack, but whoa, I shouldn't have said that. See, that's the thing.
So damn loud.
You actually earlier you said I don't speak loud enough.
No.
You see?
When you're talking to me, you're so quiet. But when you're doing things like, oh, I like that backpack, so they can swarm us, or you're being disrespectful, you're so damn loud. It's like an opposite filter. I just don't understand.
Let's get away from any stands now.
It's non-existent. I just want to sit in a bar with an actress.